Two. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Nick White, do tech and coding stuff on Twitch and YouTube. I have playlists for all the HackerRank and lead code solutions. In the description has everything else. I'm doing all of this Java. There's a practice Java section on HackerRank, so we just did Hello World. This is number 2. I'm doing 40 videos, so this is number 2 of 40. Java, Stdin, and Stdout 1. Most HackerRank challenges require you to read from input. So you might read something. So you might read if they give you the number 5 and they give you the number 5 and then they give you a number 3. They're like, here's 2 numbers, add these together. So they give you something, you do something, and then you give it back. That's usually how programming works. So we are going to read input from standard input. Just like, for example, if I built an app and I'm like, enter your name. So they give me their name and then I do something with it. Maybe I store it in a database or something like that. And write to output. So we're going to read from input, write from output. One way to do this in Java is using the scanner class, specifying the input stream as system.in, for example. So this is what we would have. Scanner is a class in Java used to read input. You usually use it. You use it for everything pretty much. So we have scanner system.in. You can read there's different types. You can read ints. You can read strings. You can read anything. You can read arrays. So we're reading system.in. The above code creates a scanner object named scanner and uses it to read a string and an int. It then closes the scanner object because there's no more to read and prints standard output using system.out.print, and then we print the string. So we read in integer and then we print out high 5. So my string is high, my int is 5. So we read a string and we read an int. In this challenge, you must read 3 integers from stdin and then print them to output. Each integer must be printed on a new line to make the problem a little easier. A portion of the code is provided, so we're already getting it easier. So we have, okay, this is we initialize our scanner class here, new scanner system.in. So this is how we're using the scan variable now because this is set to the read input. And there's a method called nextInt to get the next integer, right? So they already got one. So A is set to scan.nextInt. So we scan for our next integer. So the first integer we're going to get provided is set to the variable A. And then we're going to do another one now. B is going to be scan.nextInt. So it gets the next integer after A. And then C is going to be our final one because we're reading 3 numbers here, guys. Pretty easy here. And then we're just going to do the same thing we did in the last one. We're going to print A, we're going to print B, and we're going to print C. And there we go. Let's submit this. Hopefully it works first try or else I'm a failure. And it works first try. Oh my god, I'm a genius. I read input and I printed it to output. So that's how you read integers. Remember, maybe look up the scanner class. And we'll go on to the next problem now. Thanks for watching. Check out the next problem and see ya.